Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're trying to revive this old ugly desk and make it into my vanity. It's a really crappy built wood desk, but it's good for practice for me to do some acrylic pouring on furniture. So it's going to be white with some purpley white top. Let's do it. So after sanding it really quickly, I put 2 to 3 coats of this furniture paint on. I think it was actually oil-based because it was really sticky and covered very well. Okay, so here is the painted desk without the drawers, but you know, get the idea. I taped around it so I don't, and I only try to do it really lightly because I don't want to rip off all the paint. It might still come off, but I just have to do some touch-ups, I guess, after. Okay, the colors today are main color is my homemade magenta color. It's really pretty. Magenta. We got some bronze, silver, these are two I just kind of made up. Maybe some black, some gold. Last but not least, some white. Oh. This is actually not a true white, it's like a leftover scraped off white with other stuff, but I put more white in it. And we have pouring medium in these colors. These ones I think are just water, but the gold, the white, and the magenta have medium in it. Okay, so let's do it. I want to go for a more kind of minimalistic look, so more in the middle and wider on the sides. And these are a little thicker than Dutch board, not much, but a little thicker. So we'll see how it flows when I put it on here. Okay, let's put on some gloves and start. Okay, let's just put a light coat on here. Just paint it at once because more color come on top. So it's still gonna float, so not way smooth. It's a little too thick for my liking. Spreading it out. And like I said, this is an experiment. Maybe I should use the hair dryer. And I'm still not sure if I should resin it. Maybe I should to be more durable than just vanish. Now this white is a little too thick, but maybe I have to put some more water in it. Okay, now in the middle, because we need some more white, I may have to get some more, mix some more white. I thought I had enough, but kind of deceiving, I guess. Such a beautiful color. those, of course. A little bit of black. I don't know if this black is open or not. No. Do I have some of this other black? Yes, I do. This is black, isn't it? Yeah. Just use this. This is pre-mixed. Not too much. And some silver. Things are not moving, are they? Just leave it like that. There goes the white. Okay. Mixy mixy. I'm gonna have a problem with touching the sides. Yeah, see, it doesn't even move. It's stuck. Okay. So let's put some more white and then come back. Ooh, there's some very cool cells forming those. I'm pretty excited about that. Maybe I'm just gonna use the hairdryer for a minute and see what it does. So I'm trying to make the paints flow together to kind of try to get some kind of a composition together here. It's just really hard because the paints are not the same consistency. So mental note, make sure that all the paints are the same consistency. They have to be way thinner even on a piece like that so they flow together way better. Probably a flip cup would have been probably better, but I just wanted some negative space. Let's try it again. Let's put some white first. This is way thinner, so it should be flowing better. Although it's not too thin on the bottom now. Can't win around here. Didn't mix well. Put some more water in it. Yes, it's just not my day today, is it? Just move the white around a bit. See if I can lift it and move the paint around. No, but I'll try. That one goes. And that's it. So I decided to lift it from this side too to get things flowing, and it did work a little bit, except the white in the corners was just pretty stuck. It just didn't really want it to flow too much. Just wasn't my day to make pretty art, I guess. Just kept playing around with it a little bit, put some more white, so break up the magenta more. And now I took out the hairdryer again, just trying to move things around to get something going here, but it was tricky. I just wanted to get some cells and a little bit more feathering, not so sharp, and edges just looked like somebody just threw paint on there. I also noticed there were some bald spots. The paint didn't really adhere, so I tried to fill up some more white paint and just get some more interest going on the whole thing. And once in a while I did some torching to make sure there's no air bubbles and see if there's any cells developing. So I decided to add some more sparkle, and with alcohol inks, and I'm using silver, but they kind of were floating on the top and didn't really mix in too well. So I broke them up by blowing on them. So I still didn't like what I saw, so I added some more darker colors because it turned into one big pink mess. Just want more contrast in it. So one more torch to try to get some cells going, and I think I kind of did. And yeah, some for both sides, just try to get some contrast and cells. And with blowing on them, so moving the paint around so make sure it doesn't get too thick and starts cracking. Okay, here she is. I know it kind of looks like a hot mess, but I think when it's going to be resined or not, I probably have to resin it because I want to make it durable. I'm gonna have some makeup and stuff on there I need to clean up, so varnish sometimes is not enough. Yep. So here I'm showing you my favorite spots of the painting. See, there were some cells there, and then some cells here, and here. There's even a, yes. And my favorite spot, that's not it, that's right here. See that? That's my favorite. Thanks for watching. And let me know in the comments if you guys did something like that before. I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and comment. And see you in the next one.